The third wave gripping Mumbai and Delhi. The country has reported over 1,17,000 cases in the last 24 hours, 28.8% higher than yesterday. 302 people have died due to the deadly virus in the said period. Maharashtra is the worst hit state with over 36,000 cases. The financial capital has recorded the highest ever daily surge with over 20,000 new cases and 4 deaths in the last 24 hours. The positivity rate stands at 25% in Mumbai, which means 25 people are testing positive out of 100. Despite the spike in cases, hospitalization remains low in the city. The national capital too is battling the third wave. Delhi has reported 15,097 cases with 6 deaths in the last 24 hours, and the positivity rate stands at over 15%. The weekend curfew comes into effect starting 10 p.m. today till 5 a.m. Monday. All government employees are now instructed to work from home, while private offices will be working at 50% capacity in the national capital. All essential services are exempted in the order. To tackle the Omicron-fueled third wave, Delhi government has reopened COVID care centers with 100 oxygen-bedded facilities.
हम क्लोजली ऑब्जर्व कर रहे हैं आने वाले दिनों में जो भी संख्या रहेगी, जिस तरह से ये पैरामीटर्स हम ऑब्जर्व कर रहे हैं, तो वो अगर कुछ उसमें डिस्टर्बिंग कुछ रहा तो निश्चित तौर पर रेस्ट्रिक्शंस की बढ़ाने का काम करना ही पड़ेगा। लेकिन वो हम बारीकी से देख रहे हैं, रोज उसका एनालिसिस कर रहे हैं और उसके अनुसार माननीय मुख्यमंत्री जी उस पर अंतिम निर्णय लेंगे।
वही तो कोई विचार नहीं है, लेकिन मैंने जैसे कहा कि अगर आवश्यकता हो इन लार्जर पब्लिक इंटरेस्ट तो हमें कुछ कदम उठाने पड़ेंगे, और वो इस पर चर्चा हो रही है और मंत्रिमंडल में इसकी चर्चा होगी और उसका अंतिम निर्णय राज्य के मुख्यमंत्री लेंगे।
आज 31,498 एक्टिव पेशेंट हैं और हॉस्पिटल में जो बेड ऑक्यूपाइड हैं वो 1091 है, मतलब लगभग 3% भी नहीं है। जब पिछली बारी 30,000 बेड ऑक्यूपाइड थे तो हमारे पास हॉस्पिटल में कम से कम 7,000 बेड ऑक्यूपाइड थे। पहले के मुकाबले में 6 गुना या 7 गुना पेशेंट कम हैं हॉस्पिटल्स के अंदर। अब उसको आप माइल्ड कहिए या नहीं कहिए, कहना ये भी इसका मतलब निकाल सकते हैं।
COVID cases on the rise in the national capital as there was a huge jump in the last several days with more than 15,000 cases of COVID identified in the last 24 hours as of Thursday evening. Hospitalization rates are also increasing steadily, but the government is saying that there is no need to panic because Omicron variant does not normally need hospitalization. The Health Minister for Delhi, Satyendra Jain, also held a press conference yesterday and has given guidelines on when exactly is a person supposed to visit the hospital or require medication. Usually, according to the government, Omicron cases can be treated by isolating at home and taking basic medication. In addition, the government has also said that if the Omicron variant is detected, the period of isolation does not need to be 14 days, but only 7 days after the symptoms recede. However, the government is once again cautioning people to be careful, to remain masked at all times and avoid crowded areas. The weekend lockdown is also set to kick in at 10 p.m. on Friday night and will reopen at 5 a.m. on Monday morning. In New Delhi with cameraman Ajay, this is Anisha Mathur for India Today.